Hey everyone, today we have a Ford Ranger from 2023. It's a recent model, so we're doing here some upgrade. I already took the original grille out of it. The idea here to put this one with LED lights in it. You can see them here, those are the connectors to those LED lights. The camera has been already placed. And then we have special switches from the manufacturer itself, which we can use after to light them on or shut them off. We didn't film how we take it off, but I will show you how to put this on. Actually, it's the reverse way. On the grille itself, you have those clicking mechanism system, whatever it's called. Those clips, they go in here like that. And you just basically click it in. After you place it to the position, you just need to put all those plastic bolts back in it, and that's it actually. And don't forget your LED lights. By the way, if someone is interested in this kind of grille, we will put description in. We'll put description. We'll put the link in the description below. This cable also comes with the grille. It's actually a power supply for your LEDs here. They go in like so, there. And on this side we have plus and minus. The black one goes to the chassis of the car, it will be a minus, and this one goes to the plus. And the idea here, manufacturer has provided us with those plus cables from those buttons. Show them the buttons. So these are the plus cables that are coming out here. Here we found two of them, number 2 and number 5, but the owner of this car wants those LEDs to be on number 1, so we'll have to look for another position of those cables. So basically what we do, plus cable from the LEDs comes with this one here, we'll show it later, and this one goes just to the minus, and that's it. It should work. This is the vacuum hose. Now I'm going to zip tie those like so. So now we are going to demonstrate how is this going to work. So I'm going to connect this temporary to somewhere on the chassis, and this will go somewhere here, but it's not all we need at the moment because there is no number 1 here, but it's just a demonstration. So now nothing is happening because those buttons are off. Now we're going to switch them on. So I took this one here, but it didn't do much, so I'm going now to a real mess here, and we're going to test it out. There you go. I don't know which number is it now. This one works as well. This one doesn't. So we have 2 buttons here. To find out which one, you just need to hold it like that, and you switch them off one by one, and when it goes off, it means that's the number. No, 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 no. Yes, yes. So this one here is number 5, but we need number 1. We found the problem. It's this blown fuse from button number 1. So this one is 2 and this one is 5. All 3 are coming in here. So now I'm going to connect mass first. Like so. And we're going to connect it here directly on the body of the car. Before you mess with electricity, don't forget to disconnect your battery. I forgot. We're going to ignore this cable here, it's from another project, not for now. Now I need to isolate those 2 here and we are good to go.